Hello viewers, I am Advocate K. Rawat from Business and Company. Today we are gonna discuss about Article 21 of Constitution of India, which says the protection of life and personal liberty. Article 21 states that no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to a procedure established by law. Thus, Article 21 secures two rights. First, right to life, and another one is right to personal liberty. The Government of India Act 1935 provides for the establishment of Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. It declares that no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. Article 21 comes under the Part 3rd of Indian Constitution and is one of the fundamental rights guaranteed to all citizens of India. In this article, we will discuss various rights and liberties that are a part of Article 21. Article 21 of Indian Constitution. Article 21 is a fundamental right and is included in Part 3 of Indian Constitution. This right is available to all citizens as well as non-citizens alike. Supreme Court has described the right as the heart of fundamental rights. According to Justice Bhagwati, Article 21 embodies a constitutional value of supreme importance in a democratic society. Article 21 secures two rights, the right of life and the right of personal liberty. Article 21 cannot be suspended during the emergency. Meaning and scope of Article 21. The right to life in Article 21 of Indian Constitution does not mean animal existence or the mere act of breathing. It guarantees the right to a dignified life. Some of the rights that are currently included in the ambit of Article 21 includes mention in Maneka Gandhi case. Right to life with human dignity. Right to decent environment including pollution-free water and air and protection against hazardous industries, right to livelihood, right to privacy, right to shelter, right to health, right to free education up to 14 years of age, right to free legal aid, right against solitary confinement, right to a speedy trial, right against handcuffing, right against delayed execution, right to travel abroad, right against bondage, and many more. So, history judgments related to Article 21 of Indian Constitution. There are few judgments which relate to the Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. First one is Kharak Singh versus the state of UP and others. Right to privacy was included in Article 21 by this case. So, these are few cases which includes the right of Indian Constitution. Thank you.